Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived the brave and wise jungle princess named Zara. Her kingdom was a paradise where the vibrant colors of the flowers matched the laughter of its happy inhabitants. The sky was always painted in cheerful hues, and the animals lived in harmony, sharing stories with the gentle wind. Zara wore a crown woven from leaves and orchids, symbolizing the unity between humans and nature. Her laugh was like a stream cascading over smooth stones, bringing smiles to everyone who heard it. In this magical jungle kingdom, there was an ancient legend of a devil kingdom, lurking beyond the shadowy mountains surrounding Zara's realm. This wicked kingdom was ruled by the sinister King Malach, whose heart was as dark as the deepest night. His army of shadowy creatures thrived on chaos and fear. One evening, as the brilliant sunset dipped below the horizon, a whispering breeze carried ominous news to Zara's ears. King Malach, coveting the happiness and prosperity of the jungle kingdom, planned to cloak it in darkness and despair. Zara decided to act swiftly. With an assembly of her loyal animal friends, a wise elephant named Elio, swift cheetah Chaya, and a flock of birds who could sing the sweetest songs, she devised a brilliant plan. Their mission was to reach King Malach's kingdom and find a way to defeat him before he could harm their joyful world. Under the moonlit sky, Zara and her companions ventured through dense foliage and rocky paths that led them closer to the ominous kingdom. Suspense shrouded their journey, every rustle in the leaves a reminder of the danger awaiting them. Finally, arriving at the gates of the Devil Kingdom, they were met by a chilling wind and eerie silence. Zara's heart pounded as she stepped forward. With each courageous step, Elio trumpeted in a voice that echoed like thunder, announcing their arrival. Elio's voice awakened the guardians of the jungle. Trees unfolded their branches, creating bridges and shields to protect Zara and her friends. As the shadowy creatures emerged, Chaya dashed with astounding speed, confusing and bewildering the dark army with her breathtaking dance. Zara faced King Malach, who laughed wickedly, confident in his dark powers. With a steady gaze and unwavering voice, she revealed her heart's strength. But the Devil King tried to envelop Zara in shadows. Before the darkness overcame them, the birds sang a melody so enchanting, it made the skies glimmer with light. The dark clouds parted, and slivers of light cut through, casting a bright glow on Zara. With the light and love that Zara carried from her land, she challenged Malach, reminding him of the peace they cherished. The last flickers of light shattered his shadows, making him disappear in a storm of petals and soft winds. The jungle kingdom was safe once more, and the flowers bloomed brighter than ever. Zara's bravery and kindness spread throughout the jungle, filling it with songs of joy and laughter echoing once again. The kingdom lived happily, forever blessed and protected by their brave jungle princess Zara, whose heart was the strongest shield against darkness.